Hello, Hash Game Hacker presents How to Hack Subway Surfers latest version anytime. Hello guys, it's me once again from your favorite channel Game Hackers. Today we are going to hack Subway Surf. So what I have done is I have installed this game from Play Store, Google Play Store, and now I'm going to show you that it is true because I haven't hacked it yet. So let it run. So I have finally loaded the game. See, it is completely new. I'm playing this game. You can see. Oops. So just finish this. Let's end again. And thanks my friend Syed Ibrahim Hassan, he told me to hack this game, so this is for you. You can also suggest me on comments, so I will hack it for you. Now just I am losing purposely. I'll just lose. Yeah. Now I will tell you to how to purchase, how to hack this game. So go to shop and see. Everybody wants to get full of coins. I want it, but this is very expensive and I can't afford it to buy. And so I can just buy it for free. How? I'll tell you. Just remove Subway Surfer from your history. Go to Lucky Patcher. Make sure you have that, huh? And then click on the game you want to hack, which is Subway Surfer, and then click open menu of patches and then click create modify APK file, and then you will be getting a 4 options and you have to click APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Then just click rebuild the app. Don't do anything there, just click rebuild the app, so it will bring the hack tool inside the game and it will do it automatically. Yeah, after the patch is done, the 2 options will be success and 2 will be fail. So don't worry about this. And after you have done, click OK and click on rebuild and install, which is located down. You can see here switches, toolbox, search and backup center, rebuild and install. Just click on that. Go to Lucky Patcher, click modify it and choose the game which we are hacking, which was Subway Surfer, and just click uninstall and install option in this. So what will do, it will uninstall the app and install it back with the hack. Yeah. So Subway Surfer is uninstalled, now it is installing. So let's wait. After you install the app, click open. Yeah. Now this is hack. I have to complete this till I buy coins. So just follow what they're saying. Yeah. So after that, what you have to do is, I'll tell you. Now I want to buy the coins. So we have store here. So I have got. I need to buy this coins. See, after it will come as in app purchase hack. So just click the two option. This one. Don't click the first one. It will not hack then. Then click yes. See, I got the coin. Now I can buy any of my favorite things in this game. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. So, and I will be live on my first 50 subscribers. So don't forget to watch. I'll inform which date I'm going to be live. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.